Good morning. Well, I'm leaving the hostel. I had great sleep last night. It's probably the best sleep I've had. And then got up, had some tasty breakfast, got to see my first bear right outside the window. Some of the people that were staying on that side said they could hear, like at 5 in the morning, that bear ripping into the trash. I guess tore the door off of the trash bin thing. So yeah, you'll see that in the video. That bear was just a chubby thing enjoying his trashy smorgasbord of breakfast out there. But that's how I like to see something like that, is through a window, so it can't bother me. But anyway, yeah, I'm heading to the little bus stop. I just missed the bus, but it'll come back around in a bit. But yeah, get out on trail. I wanted to go 12 miles today, but I don't know. Just depends. No rush. So yeah, and then I'll be heading to Twin Lakes. And I think I said last night I'd be there in 7 days, but it's a 6. I think it's 6 days. But yeah. All right, I'm gonna get here and hang out, and then I'll see you on the trail. Mountain tic-tac-toe. I won. I put my circle there. That's that. All right. It's been nonstop climbing, so I'm just going to keep at it. It's tough, but all I do is just go a little, stop and breathe, drink some water. But we'll get up there.